Yo boys! On this video, I'll be showing you guys a tutorial of how you can get 500,000 coins for free using a simple trick that doesn't need Game Guardian or any type of hacks in Car Parking Multiplayer 1. But first, I'd like to give a shout out to these awesome channel subscribers. If you also want a shout out on the next video, then subscribe, like the video, and comment shout out. Okay boys, make sure to watch all the steps carefully and follow along. Also, let me know on the comments section if you already know this trick. Okay boys, let's get started. As you can see, we currently have $10,000 and no coins. The first thing we're going to do is give away the money, since we need to have $0 and 0 coins to do this trick. I'm gonna go to City 1, but it doesn't really matter which map you guys choose as long as you're in an online mode, since you can't give money to other players in single player mode. Now that we've gotten rid of the money, we'll head back to the garage, change our car and use a pickup truck, then return to City 1 and open the menu. Next, we're going to open the coins top-up page, and we're going to click and hold on each offer for at least 3 seconds. After that, you're going to close the pop-up, and we're going to do the closest construction site, cargo delivery job. All right, boys, after you've done the delivery, you're gonna get out of the car, open the settings, and go back to the garage. And if you look closely, your coins will start to